While we wait. Is my mic not picking me up? Okay, we're good. Let us also open. We need music. Why is this not? There we go. Hmm. What am I feeling? This one's alright. Hold up, let me make. There we go. Okay. Working. Wait, are the length these like?
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, how's it going?
It's going. How about you?
It's hard to tell if my event has started.
Oh, it like showed up and then it disappeared.
Why?
Cause I think you set it to at 3 p.m. and it's past 3 p.m. maybe? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Oh, I think in the previous ones you have like it go till like only 3 p.m.
One sec, let me do some damage control. So then if I do... There we go. That's so weird that it does that. The next event says it doesn't end at 2. Very strange. $2.10. Anyway, here we are. So what was I working on? Auto sync, and then after auto sync, we do other stuff. So the issue with this right now is that server's not getting set, client's not getting set because there's an issue sending the message. I think it doesn't serialize. Wait. I forget. Kind of a debug thing I could do. If I don't know, return null. I actually do. There we go. Now what happens? Type. Oh, I see. How do I fix this? So this is not the solution. Maybe do. Harmony. Oh, interesting. This isn't really a solution either. Oh, this is tough. Hmm. This is okay. So here, if we go into this, we can tell what's going on. My guess is we're hitting this. Oh, we are. Oh, it actually does publish. Hold up. I heard noise. Thanks for the sub flow. 2 months of that. So this seems to be working, but for reasons I can't explain. Messages. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Create hero message. Hero message created. I found the auto-sync stuff, so my guess is that in this dictionary, it's like, oh, I can't find this thing, even though it's right here on the bottom. Why would this be? So we create an event class, which makes sense more or less. Hey, what man, how's it going? I have a hash map mismatch and I don't know why. I guess I could test it using one second. Event. So we need these two things. So we need a data type, which is... And how do we do this? Give it a name, which I don't really care about. And this property. This one is this one. I want to compare these types, I guess. All right, let's see if that's true or not. Oh, I might have changed this. Or did I? What? Object does not match target type. I'm confused. So on this line, something does not match the constructor. There we go. So what's the issue? Data type is weight data, constructor, string single. That might be an object actually. I don't know. Does that fix it? And thanks for stopping by, Invix. Trying to get this working, and I don't know. I'm just running into weird errors. Oh, I see what the error is. It's something way smaller. Hero name property. Actually, what is the type of this? Oh, it's a weight actually, so I don't know, whatever, 5. There we go. So if I get to here, okay, this should work now. I don't know what this will cast to. Maybe it'll be okay? I'm not sure. Next. There we go. This event instance is perfect. Those are equal, which is interesting. So yeah, the issue is on the server. Specifically when we get here. Where is it? So I want this. That can go away. I want to find test mass rover. Or this class, pin that. So the issue is now if I go into here. So this message type is of type weight changed, auto sync here, weight changed, right? And then in here, all the way at the bottom, it's right here, right? Auto sync hero weight changed. Which is the same type, so why are we not? Why no key work? Stored hash is equal to subscribers.last. I get out last. What are you talking about? E. I don't need this. Nice. Oh, hey, Otter. Hey, GBG. How's it going, everyone? I continue here. Let's look. So the issue is that these are different, I'm guessing. They are very, very different. Oh, this is the wrong thing. I need this. I can actually put this in here. Just make it a bit more easy to get to. Yeah, right now I'm not actually sure what the problem is. So for those of you who don't know how hash maps work, these should be the same, but they're not, I'm guessing. And they are not. So what's different? It says a GUID. Interesting. E13 for that GUID. How about this one? So slow. There we go. Finally. Oh, actually, I can't see this. Unless I like scroll down all the way in here, which is... Let's actually do this. Just rerun it. Oh, this isn't technically stored hash anymore. E13. That is so strange. So let's kind of see what the difference is, I guess. Online string compare. And if I go to message type here, now looking at this, I think these are fine, to be honest. But this m underscore cache and m underscore handle changes, and I'm not sure why. I have a theory. So if we change clients here to 0, this will actually work. Yeah, now it works okay. So the issue is I have an idea on how to fix it. So the issue is we're creating 2 new binaries or 2 new assemblies with the same types, and then one assembly overwrites the other. And to fix that, all I have to do is check if it already exists, basically. Data class, it's actually an autosync. Assembly name. So here's what I want. Private static. Close. Close, but I want that. And I don't need this. And I don't need this. How do we do this? Where do I create a new module? I'm looking for this module builder, which is passed in here, which is strange. I see. Okay. And I don't need any of this. This goes away. Now it's static. Now because it's static, the mod is 99% done. Right, Sams?
99.9% done.
Oh, sorry, I was a bit off.
Yeah, that 0.9% is important, you know?
But honestly, it's hard to put a percentage on it. There's still a bit of work left, and hoping to get some out soon for an alpha. It's not easy to say. Okay, now that I have this module builder in here, so I need to check if say a data class already exists. Property name. If it no module builder dot get type, and then if I run this, we should hit that. We did not. Oh, back to default. That's exactly what I want. But instead of throwing an error, just return. I probably want a log here, but this is just for testing. For null, I don't really care at the moment. This can probably go away at some point. There's an issue with this though. Just this. Client or what is it? Type mapper to add types. Very cool. And then it works. It just works, right? No. No serializer defined for type. What? Okay, this is an easier issue to fix. On top of that, care more about this. What serializer's missing? I autosync data. For like interfaces, do I have to define that? I don't even know. Let's assume that we do. What type was it? I autosync data type. Data. I autosync data. So here, let's say roto contract. Wonder if that's all I need. That'd be interesting.
Don't you need to skip constructor?
Interfaces don't have constructors.
That's a good point. Oh, sorry. I was thinking the fucking class, not the.
What is happening? Hmm? Cannot apply changes to property? I don't know. Maybe you're right. Hold up.
Sure, it's not going to do it in the interface, right? But because I'm assuming you're dynamically creating or what is the like class that's being created from that? You might have to put it in that.
Well, I already have it in this. It's crazy, isn't it?
Oh, where's the skip? Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. Yeah.
But why is this having an issue on string ID? Cannot apply changes to property.
Oh, it's only a get. You need to be able to set it.
But what if I don't want it doing that? Unexpected subtype. I don't know what that means. Wait data. Remember, can I like data member offset, enum pass, ignore list handling. Name is group origin, serialized type. I'm confused. Is packed. What does this mean? Strange. That's what I'm saying. I have no idea what's going on here. It just doesn't work. What if we do get set? Then I think we have to also add it to setters here. This is gonna fail. I don't even know why I'm bothering. Set method does not exist. I'm kind of confused by this.
I might have an idea for you. I've been watching you.
What you got?
1 second, I was doing some Googling about this. So, on your auto async data, right?
Yeah.
The is the like subclass going to be like, or well, the class that like uses that interface, is that class going to be like a proto contract too?
Yes.
Okay, so what's happening essentially is, here, let me read this again, make sure I'm correct on this.
So one's like overriding the other or something like that?
So here, I found an article that I forgot the fucking word. Alright. So you need to specify the inherited class, which subtypes it inherits from it. So, like, here, I can send you, like, an example.
In the attribute?
Here, let me show you.
Yeah, if you wanna.
Yeah, I'll send it.
Send it over.
So I think this is what you're... obviously ignore the serializable part, but there's a proto include.
But this is a interface, so it might be different. inherits from... Oh, that's impossible. The way I'm doing it, that's impossible. Okay. I think I'll be able to figure this out. I just need to get rid of this, go back to here. No, we're not doing this no more.
So another way is to let protobuf know about the interface before serializing the actual instance. Is another way you could do it. I don't know if you're actually doing it. I'd have to look at how you're doing everything. I'm just kind of looking around.
No serializer defined for this specific type. Why are we doing this specific type is my question.
Auto sync template, auto sync.
Object is what? Sanity check. But was that still an issue? I don't need this anymore. Okay, so hero created data. Hero weight changed, okay. Network changed data message.
How you're serializing it?
I'm attempting to anyway.
Yeah, another thing they're saying is you can,
This is an interesting problem. Oh,
are you trying to serialize or deserialize it?
Serialize at the moment. World's fastest loading. Continue. So my thought is, autosync weight changed. Hold up, network changed message data. Does it even use? I can delete this. Alright, so I think I have an idea. Delete that. I see what's happening. Um. Hmm. How do I add this to the... I see. So it technically doesn't matter. Do we pass in? We don't. Or do we? It's a type of data. Event message. Let me see if there's a way to do this. Otherwise, I have a kind of workaround, but it's a pretty big refactor. So this needs to be a proto contract, and then it needs to inherit from something. Include. Proto include.
There's also a is required field that you should probably put if you have an I interface proto member.
No name, type name. I don't, it's not known.
Oh, you still need a proto contract for that. So you do the weight on the proto include if you're doing it, and then the type, which it makes no sense for you in that interface to do.
Yeah. So I'm dynamically generating the type at runtime, so I think I have to do it this other way. So specifically what I need is to pass type from this generator into here somehow. Data class type, I guess. Not ideal, but here we are. Data class type, this now takes gross.
Um, there's a dynamic type option for proto member. I don't know if that might help.
Maybe. What does this do? Embeds the type information into the stream. Oh, maybe fixes it. But why is it yelling at me?
Yeah, because by default it includes the symbol. Oh, it's
Great.
deprecated. You have to use what's the new version? Let me look it up. I'm looking at.
Member serialization options. Oh, this is just the same thing as, I don't know, dynamic type.
Oh,
Same issue
Dynamic
here,
type.
though.
Show potential fixes, maybe. The bottom. See if it knows it.
Yeah, but this says
oh yeah, you don't fucking want that.
types are not currently implemented in this build. Oh my god. There's a way I can probably fix this. So here's the idea. Network message generator. Generate network message. There we go. I autosync message. Oh, I also need this. This is attached to the type, I forget. I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay. That's exactly what I want. Create property. I think I'm done. I think that just works. But
Oh, you fix it?
no, I have to generate the other class dynamically. I need to
Gotcha.
actually fix it. Generate network message. Come on, where's my autocomplete?
Ooh, it was there for a second.
Yeah. There we go.
Why is it complaining about that auto sync handler thing?
Because I added another field.
Oh.
And all I need is this here, and then I have to add some stuff. Specifically, I remove this now. And this actually changes to this. Type of this. I forgot. Just this, and then we're good. This is probably super slow. I'm not sure though. I'm doubtful this will work first try. Let's see. This is complaining. We need this, and then we need
Comma.
network message type. And then we need Generate the network message type. Oh, is there? No. No, why did you do this to me? It knows. It knows. And then we don't need this. But we do need this here, and then I think we're okay. So if I run these tests, what happens? I get an error.
Hey, you have a lot of pull requests. Do you want me to look at some of them for you?
Yeah, if you can.
Alright, cool.
Oh. New. What is it? Network message type. There we go. Now what happens? We have a failure. Common language runtime error detected in invalid program. Very not fun. On this? What do you mean?
What did it say? Invalid program?
What did I delete? Yeah, that doesn't make sense to me. It was working seconds ago. Unless it's this. In equals. This here.
What about the equals?
No. I had ChatGPT do this, so we're doing this. Yep. How about this? Yeah, same issue. How about everything?
Fixed it.
Yeah, I fixed the building blocks. Now I have to fix putting them all together. Let's see where we fail. 0.5. Interesting. Let's see what happens in here, I guess. So in here, when we send this, maybe this is null, which could be the case. Is this null? It is not. So if we step into this, step into this. Oh, I know what's happening. So it's working. The issue is the clients, they never get registered. How do we fix? This partially fixes everything here. Okay, so we need to set this stuff up. Auto sync. So what I need, handler. So I need this. This is like super specific stuff for this test. Bar. Autosync handler type. It's just this. I'm gonna do this down here. Private generate handler, and this will be just a disposable. I don't really care that much. We need two things. We need this. Handler type is equal to this. Then we can just return this down here, return, which is perfect. So what we need are two things. First, I container. We then need, oh, what's it called? I forget. The results. Async results. Wait a minute. I actually don't need to generate the type. Sync results dot handler type. Logger. Private static read only I logger. Log manager. Get logger. It's the name of this class. I need to sneeze.
My God, this review I'm doing, They've literally put like every message they send. They have setters on all the things, so I'm like, dude, you gotta get rid of these.
Oh. Castle, what the hell? Where is that? Castle core. Okay, I've never seen that before in my life. Oh, we need the property. There we go. And then this should be not null. And then here what we can do. There we go. This here, so we need sync results. We need, is that right? Yeah. No, we need container. Client dot container. Then finally, we need the property that we're syncing. And then we can even add this to here. And then we can rename this to something better like setup client. And maybe it works now, I'm not sure. Wait, it passed. Tell me it passed. Fully passed. So then you're telling me if I copy all of this to here. Okay. Set everything up. This can go away. Sync type. Yeah, that can go away. This here can go away. Does it still pass? Perfect. Okay. New wait. This is actually going to be client 1 is equal to, just remember the client stuff first. It's better. So then we call this on client 1 and it shouldn't change. Except we need the old wait. Old wait is equal to server hero.wait. This one failed. Why? Object reference. This? I'm confused. I am very confused actually. Why is that null? Oh wait, something weird happened. Something was null. Run. Fails here. Server hero not set. It's right here. I'm confused. Actuals 5. Harmony patch generator is client. This looks fine. So we're here. Oh, I see. Do I have one return true or more than one? Return true. Return false. Which is not existent yet. Alright, this new crazy label now exists. Now, if we run this, it'll pass. What? Oh, helps if I actually return false. Alrighty, run this. Now we're good. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god, it worked.
Oh, it did?
What?
It did?
Yeah, I did, but why is this not working? Did I add that thing where it skips? I did. What if I don't do this? Duplicate types within assembly. I see. How do? There's Trigate. Oh. Hmm. I get this, but hmm. Okay. Hmm. How do we fix? Oh, I can do. There we go. This is all really only needed for testing though, which I don't love too much. If is this not initialized? Yeah. Hmm? I'm confused. What's the issue with this? What do you mean? Oh, it's property sync. Hmm. What's the issue? Public. Hmm. I'm confused.
What's the issue?
Oh, there we go. Fixed. We're good.
Nice.
I bet this won't work. Here we go. I think this will pass now. There we go. Now we can commit, finally.
I've never used the fucking GUI. I've always just used the command line. Looks nice though.
GUI makes it so I don't make mistakes.
Oh.
That's the only reason I use it. Otherwise, I'd be using command line. Auto sync, auto sync. New feature. Comments. I can probably delete this folder.
Hey, is Max DeRobe like one of the new developers?
I think so.
Okay, I commented on his thing. I'm gonna just cause he's newer, I'm gonna like actually check to make sure he's patching the right functions too.
Yeah, good idea.
Okay, so I mean, you say sync only those properties, so
I don't actually use this anymore. Guess I don't use this, so I'm gonna get rid of it.
you have them patch the owner.
It knows. Do it for me. I don't want to write this.
Let me recheck.
What are you gonna say for me?
These patches.
Come on, I don't want to write comments.
So okay, that's good. Is owner. Is owner unassign? That looks correct. And then this one. Settlement component dot owner.
For property sync. Prefix function generator. It's exactly like this. Serializable network message type generator. Network.
Hey, with hey with what does it say? Fuck. Um, with Harmony, can you patch virtual methods or no?
Yes.
Okay.
The one where it gets difficult is templates.
Yes, it's not a template. It's just a. I mean, the return type's the same. It just has no functions. Because I'm seeing this like get prosperity level, which is
Mm-hmm.
interesting. What I'm not sure yet. It may have to be synced. Yeah, it looks like that needs to be synced. Oh, that's a town thing. Never mind. Well, it still needs to be synced because you just return. Well, I'm gonna ignore that one for now because I'm not too sure. Is it sync that? And what is
Dude, imagine having to do all this in, well, basically assembly. This is used.
wait, thinking owner? Okay.
But I actually don't need this anymore.
I mean, he is syncing all the ones you mentioned, so that's good.
Hmm. Actually, maybe I am okay with that. So if we need like something to turn, we don't need this though. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. So what we can do is, yeah, we have already changed that. The name example does not exist. Interface for autosync data to sync. Service for automatically syncing problems. Oh my god, it knows. It knows too well. That's exactly what I want. I could add more stuff here. I'm pretty sure that was already merged.
It
Unless this is
doesn't
a new
say
one.
it's merged. That's the publicized one. He didn't. It's not
Oh,
merged.
I approved it.
Yeah. Do you want me to merge it?
Yeah. I don't know why I didn't merge it. I forget.
Yeah, he doesn't have permissions to merge, which makes sense because he just started.
Let me send him an invite.
I mean, it requires your review anyway, so I hit it for him.
Do all classes. Oh, hold up, I've
A what?
I have a theory. So hypothetically, if I did say name of never mind, it doesn't work. We're still good. Let me add a lot of comments to this and move this down here. That is exactly not what that does. That's what that next line does. Um, I pass in the construct past. What does this do? Implements default equals method. Compare each field using callback. Call it to compare. These comments are all right. Actually, this isn't needed, I don't think. But I'll leave it. I copied from the other one. Where is it? Same thing here. I'm not sure how far it'll be. Before it's playable, hopefully something soon. Depends how fast we get some of this stuff done. This test can go. Test event? This can go.
Here, I'm gonna make an issue to remove all these fucking reflected things we have in favor of like the publicized stuff now.
We can actually leave most of the reflection stuff.
I didn't know, because wouldn't that like help with performance if we get rid of most of the reflection
We have
stuff,
a
though?
what is it, like some function builder thing that makes it faster, but if it's like default reflection, then yeah, we should change that.
Like the party extensions, for example.
That should be fine.
Okay, but I didn't know if, I mean, yeah.
Let me look.
I mean, I could give you plenty of examples. I'm pretty sure those reflections.
Yeah, there's definitely reflection that's used. So
yeah, I'm just gonna put an issue for it anyways. People can figure it out.
okay. This is basically the same as the data class. There we go. I don't want this. This looks fine. Do I have one for the data class generate? I have make record. That's not right. You're close. Used for publish. Okay, call ID getter method. Publish the event. True, actually. Alright, now that is okay-ish quality. I need to Results from syncing a property, I guess. It just knows. It just knows. To be added to C. Oh, it knows. It knows. It's just too smart. Too bad it can't code for me. All tests pass. That's interesting. Invalid exception. Ooh. Okay, we just need to fix that somehow. How do we do this here? It's done here. I'm confused. I'm kind of confused right now, considering how does this set it up, but this doesn't? This is confusing. To set up an environment instance, maybe. 1 second. I'm confused, so we need this new thing I made, which I actually don't know where it's at. Oh, here. Add types. I see. Okay. Container. Oh, I see. Common here, okay. Builder dots. Does this need anything? No. Run this.
Oh, and then another question for you. So he has this like settlement component sync. Looks pretty good to me. Would you want him to put the auditor like right away in this merge request, or would that be a separate issue?
That'd be a separate one.
Okay, cool.
So you type. I'm so confused. Why would this not work? So where's this called?
Hey Garrett, I'm able to approve.
Yeah.
Okay, is that fine with me approving? I was just making sure, because like I reviewed it and then he made the changes.
Let me take a just quick glance over it once I get these tests running. I don't know why.
I didn't even know I could fucking.
So this type mapper of anything registers 110 types. Item roster updated is apparently not in here. I don't like how this is done. But I need to... Something wrong here. Oh, hold up. Oh God. This can go. There we go. Anything fail here? Okay. So now there's the issue of what's this class use? Come on, show me, show me, show me. Test environment here. Okay, let's create server. What's the issue with this? And finally, fix integration tests. I didn't actually fix them, but temporary fix. Resolves nothing. I didn't create an issue for this, I don't think. Or did I? There we go. How much is 36 files? It's actually not that bad. Okay. One sec, I'm gonna grab something to drink and then I'll take a look at that request.
Yeah.
Okay, I got myself a programming beer.
That's how you know it's a good.
Yeah, okay. Let me answer some questions on the stream. Right now we're not taking any testers currently. There's not much to test. No release date still. No percentage still. Yep, that is all. Oh, a new goal. Text. Today's goal. Well, today's go. Done. There we go. Perfect. Alrighty. Now we've got this. This is called a pull request. It's how we collaborate with each other and make fun of each other's code. So which one did you review?
I reviewed settlement component sync.
Let's have a look.
I mean, if you put the auto sync and stuff, you may want him to change some stuff, but I think it's fine the way it is.
If there are classes for it, that's actually preferred.
Mm-hmm.
But autosyncs also exists now. If autosync was like super mature, I'd have them switch to it, but
Yeah, it's not.
commands we've got. Hold up, let me actually open the issue. So far, nothing too crazy from the 10 seconds I've looked at it. Okay, owner gold is owner unassigned. Let's actually look.
I mean, two of them are literally just setters.
Oh, wait, what? Settlement component.
I think you spelled it wrong.
That's
rid of that
exactly
E.
what I did. Property, and the last owner?
Owner is a property too.
Yeah, more or less. Wait, what did I have them saying? Owner
Uh,
gold is owner unassigned. Why did we not include owner in that?
there's owner right there.
Yeah, but why is it not included in this issue is my question.
I thought it is. There's 3 syncs he does.
Oh, I'm stupid. gold?
I mean, I kind of looked at it like briefly, so like that part. So I don't.
Yeah, the most important part is just making sure everything is synced and synced properly.
Yeah.
Yeah, these all change only at loading as far as I know, so we don't care about that. Otherwise, that looks good. I think I saw like a lot of changes for that. Messages looks good. Changed gold. I don't like this naming convention, but that's such a pedantic thing. Okay, let's look at this. True. Return false or client. The only issue I have with this is I actually have two issues with this file, but they're so small. Like this, just the naming convention. We want change to be at the end. And then the namespace here can be file scope namespace, but I'm not even gonna bother. Just these small things are super annoying to deal with. One as a reviewer, and two as gotta be angry if someone did this to me. Yeah, these are fine. Let's look at this. This is all looks good so far. If an error with return. Should these also not be?
Wait, what does he have a random
That's
party based owner right there?
Hmm?
One line up. We'll go up. Go up.
Oh, because it's setting in both of these. Neither of these. Otherwise, we return an error.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Just like what kind of party, I think? Yeah, settlement or mobile party. That makes sense. Run settlement owner changed. Holy, this patch is crazy. I'll have to look in the patch. Otherwise, these look good. I don't care too much about the commands, to be honest.
Yeah, I had him change one little thing, but looks good. Other than that.
Tests, I care a lot about.
I mean, he's just syncing the values, so I mean, it looked right.
Yeah, this is pretty boilerplate in the tests.
Yeah. I mean, did it build successfully on the thing? I think it did.
I saw a check mark, so.
Okay, cool. Alright, I'm gonna look on... I'm gonna... Oh, I saw that's funny. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah. I fucking patched a lot of shit in settlement too, and my brain was hurting at points, so...
This should actually be a command. And this should be here, here. Just some super small things. Just naming convention stuff. Like these, anything coming from the server to like change the state on the client should be a command. And command naming convention should be, well, if it's the network prefix first and then change. But I don't expect anyone to know that coming out of the gate. No, it's just this super small stuff that's the only issue so far. This looks fine. This also looks fine. Okay, after these changes are done, this is good. All right. Oh god, settlement audit, that's so big.
Yeah. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm here.
I don't know if this actually fixes mobile party.
He literally just comments it out. It doesn't actually fix it.
Probably just for his branch.
No. I know there's a crash related to mobile party where what's happening is bandit parties are being created. I don't know if that's related to that.
So what's happening is a party's created, but not all of the values are initialized.
No.
It creates the party without calling the constructor.
Gotcha.
No, I thought I do call the constructor, but all we need to do is sync all the values for mobile party and we'll be good.
Okay, I'm gonna work on some of the client state stuff that was mentioned in some of the issues. Like show loading screen while game transfer is occurring. I'm assuming this is still an issue.
Oh, sorry, what was that?
It should show loading screen while game transfer is occurring.
Yeah, that's still an issue. We have all the functionality for it, but wiring in that functionality is a bit more complicated.
I mean, all you have to do is when the I mean, I don't know if this is the way you do it. I didn't like look at the whole structure, but like once they change to that state, just publish the message to the game interface to show the loading thing, right? Is that how you do it, basically?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have any boilerplate code for that already, or no?
For showing the
The
loading screen?
the main menu, the loading screen.
Yeah, we already have functionality for that.
Okay. Do you know where I can find that?
My guess is, let me find it.
Because I'm still not great at navigating this project.
Yeah, there's a lot. Misc, disgusting. UI and then load game UI.
Is it in services?
Oh, hold up. What am I looking at? Yeah, it's under services and then, wait, what? Load screen handler.
UI handlers, load screen handler. Yeah, okay, cool. So I can just publish an event that's
Publish
subscribed.
start load screen or end load screen. I don't know if you need to publish end load screen, but probably.
Well, yeah, I would just have to do it when the state changes. When is end? Here, I'm gonna check what these are called.
Oh, my favorite part that I've coded. That's a hard question.
Oh, these are just not. There's
Oh,
no
this
one
audio.
creating these message. There's no one creating this message. That's why it. Wait, there has to be someone. Why is it showing it?
Creating the message for what? Start loading screen?
Start loading screen or end loading screen. I don't see it being used.
It's not. It's just the functionality. So that issue is you publish
Oh,
this
just
message.
call those.
Yeah.
Just call those two. That's fucking easy. Okay, cool. That makes it a lot easier than I thought it was. Cool. So,
Wait, I'm
and
confused. Oh, just for future reference, you don't actually need to put any functionality in coop.core for the auditors.
oh, you don't?
No, so what I ended up doing was, for what army did I make that? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I tried to do it that way at first, but it wasn't going to the server. I mean, yeah, the server when I requested it. So I don't know if I was fucking up or. I mean, it is, yeah.
So yeah, I just subscribe to it in here, and then when it gets sent to the server, it does everything it needs. This is
Maybe
poorly
I don't know
counted,
why.
though.
Yeah. I mean, it works mine. And the audit's not really used other than for testing, so I didn't know how big of a deal it was.
It's not that big of a deal.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know if there's any. I mean, all the things I synced, I added to the what it checks, and I assume that's what I should do because I didn't see any other things I should be checking. Yeah, or there might be some stuff, but I think for now that's probably good.
Oh my god, extra slashes. It's all over.
Dude, dude, sometimes my thing just fucking does that. I don't know why.
Process settlement audit. Network settlement audit results. This looks painful. To do?
You're talking about like verifying it all?
Now there's a to do in here. Add more fields properties. For now, this will suffice.
Well, yeah, those are all the ones I was synced. I didn't know if there was any other things I may have to sync in settlement that we aren't syncing.
Oh,
That's why I put that there.
I see.
But those are all the values that I sync. That's why I put them.
I can actually figure this out. Closed. Set wall section hit point ratio at index. I see a field that is missing. So I'm not seeing it. Claimed by claim value. Can be claimed?
Claim. I put claim value in.
But can be claimed isn't in there, it looks like. Claimed by claim value and can be claimed. I don't see can be claimed.
Oh. Did I sync that in settlements?
There might have been a reason we didn't. But I don't remember. On settlement owner changed. In what?
That was the. That's the behavior. That's I think there was something weird I had to publish for that. Oh yeah, that's completely. I don't know if that should be a settlement sync specific.
I forgot what it changes.
Oh, I think was that the one where I had to do like a transpiler?
Maybe? What value does it set? Stash? No.
Let me see.
I'm confused. What value in here?
Oh, I have a
Settlement.
patch for that actually. Yeah, I do change the can be claimed value, and that's what that one does mainly.
What value does it change?
Can be claimed in the settlement claimant can be.
Okay, you're just missing that
Yeah.
data.
Yeah, put that in there.
Then you're good. Yeah, that's fine. Got the missing values. Okay. I don't need that other one anymore. Process 7 components.
Don't you like that?
For future. Yeah, for future reference, use string literals. So what you can do here is actually you could do a pen line instead.
Oh, I'm dumb. I could have done that.
Yeah, but I don't. It works, so I don't care. Okay. What is this? Collect notables to cache.
Oh yeah, so remember how we that we were talking about this yesterday? That notable cache of those like 4 heroes.
Oh, that's where you added it?
Yeah, I just re-added it there because there was no other like settlement issue. And I tested it, so it like works.
Oh, you re-added. I see.
Yeah, because remember I wasn't sure if we actually needed that. Yeah.
And I don't know if these are ready to go. I know Event Sync has some issues.
It would just be nice for that to be merged, so like I actually know what he put in there. Cause I was about to fucking do the recruitment thing, and then he's like, "Oh, I already have that." I'm like, "Oh shit."
So it might actually be okay. I like that.
How that end?
Okay. Okay, so this looks good. Player human player character prefix. What? Party.leader hero. Oh, I see. Kingdom debug commands. Oh, that's interesting. Slightly better way of doing that, but okay, next would be Kingdom Audit. Target Kingdom Decision. Um, okay. Kingdom policy. How does Alphys work? There's just so much code, not very many comments. Our auditor will figure this out, I think. Supported conversions. I'm confused. I don't like this. What's the best way to fix it though? So this all originates from here. I'm confused. Let me check this out. 775. It's under. Hold up. Okay. Army stuff. No, it's under kingdoms. Data. I don't hate this actually. But I have specific ones. Oh, I see. No shot that works. Guess it does, but I think it'd be better to have this all be separate messages. What class is this? Kingdom decision data. So my guess is right now we only have like add decision and remove decision. I kind of see the issue. Local decision. What? Why is this created? Just return true. Oh, this doesn't have the newest main merge in. Modify add decision. Kingdom patch is modified add decision. What is happening? Isn't this just this? What? Oh, I know what this is. Why does this need to be? Local decision added. Oh, I see. Okay, this is fine. Just remove decision. Let's be ref. Gotcha smoke. I'm not sure. For which one? Void setter for clients. Oh yeah. So far looks really good. Good, good, good. There was one other thing. I forget. What was it? These are the change files. Why are all of them open now? Hey, Sam's I approved that merge request. Not yours. Wait. Approve the, what was it? Settlement component?
Okay, cool.
I can merge that.
I mean, yeah, just merge it, yeah.
What would be a better way of doing this? I'm kind of okay with this way. The only thing I absolutely don't like is the stuff in here. Trying to see what's happening. Oh, okay. Honestly, this isn't too terrible. Not too bad if I do say so myself. I don't know, that spacing's bad. There we go. Look at how much cleaner that is. I guess I don't hate this too much. Okay. When I see flag, it gives me a bad feeling. This doesn't have main merged in. What do I need to take me to development? Okay, I think I'm caught up with all PRs.
Nice.
I also left some comments on your auditor, if you haven't noticed.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take a look in a minute.
Okay, time to start the big work. Hero and mobile party. Um,
Hey, do you have any like or like UML diagrams for the the client's like game state or anything like that?
no. Well, actually, we might have super old ones, but they're probably out of date.
Yeah.
Let's see. Battles. This is old. go. Okay. Pretty sure we don't. But the state you're going to be looking for would be transfer hero state under, or no, hold up, it's transfer game state, I think.
I think where you're doing connecting, I think it may work. Try it. Wait.
Receiving save data state, and I think that's it.
Because I run it at receive data state where it like sets that, it does not work there. Unless this
Oh, you
just
might
code-
have to do it on game loaded inside of receiving save data state. You said it doesn't work.
Well, I did it at the point. I think it's just not ready because the. Here, let me try this. See if this works. Ignore me for a second.
Network new party created. I'll do.
Oh, you're saying it's start character creation?
No, it's after character creation, so when we're receiving the save game data, but you might have to add an event. I think it's like campaign ready.
There's an enter campaign state.
No, not that one. That's a command.
I think I might have found it. What's this one called?
It's definitely in the receiving save data state.
I might have found a spot that you can. Oh, wait, check. Unless this code doesn't work, I have no idea if it works either.
What code?
The start loading screen thing.
It'll work if you're loaded in the map.
Oh, it did pop up, but like kind of like it shows them for a second there, which is probably fine. All right, and then where do I need to let them know that it's good?
So I think it would be.
Wait, that might have worked. Let me check.
If you want to not show them for a second, you can actually put the event in. Where's your event right now to trigger the loading screen?
Right now, here, 1 second. I have it in, because the point I have it at, it doesn't work. So I put it in. Right now, it works in, where is it called? I'm looking for 1 second. And in the co-op like client where like there's a start and it says like connecting ... I just put it both there and it like kind of does work. If that makes sense.
Connecting ...
You know that message you sent? It's just like connecting.
That's not it.
That's not what?
It's not the correct spot.
Well, yeah, I know. Not.
Oh, you're just testing it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
you can actually do it in probably character creation state. In handle character creation state finish. Let me message this to you.
Client.
So many developers.
Core client. Yes.
How do I say your name? Shash? I don't even know. It's too hard for me.
Handle character.
Okay, back to what I was doing. I don't need this no more.
And then at what state is it fully done?
Barbecue man.
Let's see.
I'll remember that. Mobile party sync conflict 2 module.
Alright, so there's campaign state, create, loading, main menu, mission, receive. So at what state is it considered done? Because I see all these different states. Like I'm looking at the character creation state.
It'll be receiving save data state. I'm pretty sure
Or would
main
it be
menu entered there.
Or would it be validated module state? Oh, main menu entered, is it?
It would be before that even.
Enter main menu.
Network game save data received is where. So this function here. Let me send it to you.
Yeah, sorry, I just don't know how this is fully structured.
There definitely should be documentation, but here we are.
All right, handle network game state. Game save data receipt. Oh, when that thing's called? Okay. Fine, all references. So where it subscribes to that? Oh god. That's in test.
Okay, so now we just need to sync the small amount of fields in Hero. Oh, lists are going to be a problem. We can hold off on those actually, or like do some gross stuff to sync them. Basically, I think I need all of these. See order. X spouses, let's max this list out. So what I'm thinking of is to replace these lists with something else. Cache data. This is easy to sync, I think. Constants. Last timestamp for activity, volunteer types. How's this set? Oh my god, what am I looking at? Daily garrison adjustment. It's not equal null. I'm gonna copy all of these. And I need the properties as well. Gross, and I can't even shift tab in this. that's a constant. Anything that's a savable field, we absolutely need. In most cases. Pretty sure I already have names synced. State's definitely important. Trade's definitely important.
Yeah, hey, that point you do, it doesn't work because they haven't fully loaded into the game yet.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Strange. Constant. Oh, I don't like that. That's public. But your culture never changes. Staying in settlement. Special items is gonna be tricky. As met. Children.
So we're gonna find those.
And hero developer. Are there? There are not. Level public disgusting.
Hey, remember, everything's public now.
Well, if something that's a field is public, it can be accessed from anywhere and changed from anywhere, which is what I'm concerned about.
Yeah.
Now, where are the properties located? I feel like interesting order. Its naming quality makes me want to blow up. No order by properties. Static about properties. These two. Oh, wait, I think I already have this done. My nose. Where's the past time. I'm not actually sure when this changes. Someday I'll learn about the encyclopedia.
It's like the last thing.
Might be good for debugging, but here we are. Yes, properties that start with underscore. Very cool. Why am I doing it like this? I need an output though. So when I have one. Nope. Nope. What I'm gonna do. Or each. Close, but not quite. Type of hero. Get properties. Make waves. This is exactly what I want. We'll import this. I'm not sure how modding works on Game Pass, to be honest. Holy. Oh, if and right. Much easier way to get a list. There are some things that I don't care about. It's up here as well. Random value. I don't think I need these last four. Gold? Really? Interesting. Alright, I kind of have to get going pretty soon, I think, so I'm gonna end stream here, continue this issue tomorrow probably. And then we'll get Hero Mobile Party done, fix those crashes for Hasted, and then we'll be in a good spot. Alright, see you guys, next week maybe? I don't know if I can stream next weekend. But probably not, actually. Alright, I'll see you guys in 2 weeks then. Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by.